This is video in Johnson County. This would have been probably 410 to 430.
So. Yeah, that was in the Stones Crossing area as well, I believe. And you can see that tornado, of course, it looks like an apartment complex there.
And so this is the rain-free base, a unique view of this. Obviously, the debris flying and such a close distance that Eric was staying safe. But you can see the power and yet the localized nature of this in some cases. Where the intense portion, we saw this in the tornadoes in the spring in Johnson County with some very hard hit areas, and then literally across the street or within a block, very little damage. So you saw it from full force to the decaying mode now of the tornado in Johnson County.